In this video, we're going to talk about the one thing every man on testosterone replacement therapy can do to make the protocol work better. Actually, there are a lot of things a man can do to make the TRT protocol work better. So there's a long list of different things you can do, but let's choose the most important one. That will be difficult. So let's first go over the different things one could do. Always make sure to get sufficient high quality sleep. Perform some kind of intense resistance training. Try to avoid all unnecessary pharmacological medications. Eat healthy, nutritious food. You don't have to follow a strict diet plan. You can follow a flexible diet, eating whatever you want, but keep it nutritious, healthy, and keep the calories and macronutrients in balance. Make sure you're not overweight and have a healthy body composition. Avoid excessive alcohol intake. Avoid chronic stress and a sedentary lifestyle. Don't overdo the cardiovascular aerobic exercise. Don't add things to your testosterone replacement therapy that you don't really need, like for example Clomid or SARMs or HCG if you don't really need it for fertility. Make sure your weekly dosage of testosterone is not too low nor too high, since both can still cause symptoms, so make sure you find the right levels that alleviate all your symptoms. Make sure you're injecting frequently enough. Injecting once every 2 weeks or sometimes even every week can lead to problems with, for example, high SHBG or high estrogen, so injecting at least twice a week is in most men optimal. Consider taking following supplements: vitamin D3 and vitamin K2, zinc, selenium. If you're performing resistance training, also take magnesium, especially if you're on TRT, you're blasting through your magnesium depots more rapidly. Whether you need DHEA and pregnenolone on TRT, you can check out in this video. Consider taking pharmacological add-ons like tadalafil 5 mg daily or metformin twice a day. If you have trouble getting optimized on injections, why not consider the compounded testosterone cream for scrotal application? And vice versa, if you're not doing good on the TRT cream, why not switch to injections? If it's legal in your country, why not consider human growth hormone, low dose, for anti-aging purposes? Use the link in the description of this video to get 5% off on your first order with the online pharmacy NP Labs, and they ship worldwide. Now, after going over all those things, let's pick the one thing that every man should do to make his TRT protocol optimal. The most important thing every man on TRT should do is realizing that TRT is a lifelong journey, that you should try to get optimized one step at a time, only changing one parameter each time to see if it gives you better results or not. Testosterone is the most important and strong androgen your body produces. It controls your masculinity in every sense of the word. Don't be satisfied with average testosterone levels if you're not feeling fully optimized without any symptom. Go for the high physiological ranges. Most likely you will feel optimized with a total testosterone of 800 to 1200 nanograms per deciliter and a free testosterone of 30, 40 or more. And another important thing, don't worry too much about it. We see it in our Facebook group with the same name as this channel. A lot of men are worrying about all kind of things once they get on TRT. I have a headache. Is it because of my testosterone? I've had cramps in my left foot. This has been going on since I've been injecting. Is it possible that my sweat has a different smell since I've been on TRT? All those kinds of things. Will my acne get worse? Will my prostate enlarge? Is it bad for my heart? Most men on TRT do fine. It's a natural hormone that is in your body. You shouldn't worry too much about it. All teenagers are on high doses of testosterone. And you don't hear them complain, do you? If you are already on TRT and you're looking to get the best out of it, make sure to optimize your protocol one step at a time. If you're about to start working out and you're looking for a workout plan or routine, make sure to check out our merchandise shop in which I have different workout plans especially made for beginners and more advanced lifters. So thank you for watching, give the video a thumbs up and see you in the next one.